Hey, how's it going, everyone? What is up, Willeen Koi? What is up, man? Willeen Koi. How's it going? Corey the Scalper in the house. With no fear in the house as well. What is going? Coral Sky. TG, happy, what up? YOLO. I don't know, maybe not today. Thankfully, after losing your Apex PA Trade, you got your 2 wealth chart PA now to trade. Nice. Cost you 80 bucks. How do you like the wealth chart? Do you like it? Wealth chart? With no fear. Funding ticks at $30. Is it 30 right now? Is that a deal that we are actually getting right here? I have not heard that before. I haven't heard that. Not sure. And on top of that, I don't think I can even get any accounts because I already got 6 I've already got 6, so yeah, they should allow traders to load in some accounts. To be honest, it's not good. I mean, to just allow 6 accounts at a time at max, it's kind of hard to trade. But you know, it's their rule, it's their firm. But how did you all make out today, man, guys? What a rip in your face bounce that we get this morning, guys. Oh my god. And I was definitely not in that camp. I was definitely not in that camp of a balance today, of course, right at the start. But as soon as we try to curl above the 650 area, I was like, okay, well, I think this market is really trying to rip, right? I kind of felt like, you know, we could get into the 946, and we actually ended up getting to where I thought it's gonna get to. I think we're still underneath, obviously, the 25k. Yeah, we are still underneath the 25k, but this is looking pretty interesting, if you will, right? Looks pretty interesting, guys. Yeah, we haven't broken out completely out of the out of this pivot, so let's do a little bit of a Fibonacci here if I can. Right, so we are right at the 20.6 Fibonacci, as you guys can see here, and we are kind of like sitting right underneath that 26.6. I don't know. I haven't been this confused. I haven't been this confused ever. It's been a while since I've been really confused with how this market is gonna kind of play out. With this kind of a price action that we actually got this morning, I almost kind of feel like, you know, we're probably better off to go really slow here during the Globex ASIA. I thought we would get some kind of a pullback here towards the end of the day, but we also never really got any of that, right? Any of that, not even to the VWAP pullback. So does that mean my rules have changed already? 130 activation. Oh, you passed your eval in your top step, and they've got a new account now. Guys, lots of Black Friday offers kind of rolling in, but honestly, I haven't really seen anything that is quite exciting as of yet. I mean, Wisdom of Fear just said there is a $30 on a funding ticks. I haven't heard that before, so maybe that's not confirmed just yet. So once they confirm, maybe that's something that we want to talk about. For now, I haven't heard any of that, so that's definitely yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, $30, and also we also have what else? Take Profit Trader, a refund if you on your first withdrawal. There's a refund, and that's pretty interesting too. We have Legend 90% off on 150k. You're only paying $127. I like that offer very much right now, very much. So that's my that's definitely my radar. I may load in some more accounts with the Legend firm. We'll see, guys. I haven't heard anything from Tradify or Lucid, so it's hard to kind of say, but we'll keep waiting, guys. I mean, if I feel comfortable with the offers, I will load in some, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to scale into my loading accounts, and that's exactly what I've done right now. I've loaded in some accounts with Legend firm, and I haven't done anything with Take Profit Trader. I'm just using my pro accounts. I'm still waiting for the credit on my Take Profit Trader, by the way. I haven't got my credits on one of my two of my Take Profit Trader pro accounts, so I'm still waiting for that to put myself into 5 pro accounts. It depends on if you get the payouts. Well, yeah, MRC trades, it depends, right? I mean, do I want to get an upfront 40% off with no refunds, or eventually, if you kind of feel like, you know, you will eventually get some kind of a refund. Let's say let's say if you load in 10 accounts, and if you get payouts through 2 or 3 accounts, then you are, I think it's a win for you. I think so. It really depends on what sort of a stage you are in your trading journey, right? No, I haven't heard anything from PDS right now, guys. I haven't heard. So it's kind of hard for me to say. Yeah, so that's, yeah, PDS, man, they had a big deal. Obviously, the last, I think it was a couple weeks ago, they had $88 on the static account on a 25k. That was it. That was pretty much the best deal we had so far on that firm. But yeah, that's it. The payouts would cover the cost of the eval anyways, though. The payouts would cover the cost of the eval. Yes, but it's over and above, right? Payout is a payout. It would cover, of course, yeah, if you get a payout. Yeah, I think I'm okay with the take profit trader. It would have been better if they were at 40% off with refunds, right? That would have been a lot better, but I think it's still a good deal in my opinion. And I like the legend too, so everything else, I mean, funding ticks, it's okay. I'm kind of disappointed with Top Step, but yeah, Top Step $89 on a 50k with no activation. I think I'll try to take a stab on a Top Step, a few accounts maybe, but that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna kind of like load in. They've got some new rules coming up too, so yeah. Still pricey. All right, guys, 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. 1 minute. Well, are you saying take profit? Sorry, not take profit. Top Step is pricey. Is that what you're saying? All right, so we've got 2 more minutes for Globex Asia to start. So we're gonna kickstart the day. We'll actually, I'm not gonna trade. So I've got 2 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts that I got into a payout today. So we will be requesting a payout during the live stream here tonight. So that's good. Yeah, I soon as I activated, well, no, I didn't activate. Soon as yeah, actually, that's right. Soon as I activated 2 accounts, actually, no, I activated 1 because I had 1 credit. I got $870 on both pro account. So that's $1,700 I will be requesting here today. And I've also got Apex account that I've got to approve, request a payout as well. So I'll do that right now. Let me request a payout with Apex first before we start the day. All right, we got 40 more seconds to go for this market to open, guys. All right, so there we go. All right, so I requested a payout on my. We'll go through the payout tab, but just so you know,
the market is open
with everybody else, because I wanted to go through everybody else's payout too. But I did mine just now, which is great. Anyways, guys, we'll start the day. Let's take a look at this market, guys. We are getting a little bit of a bounce in this market. That could be the continuation of a bounce that we had this morning. So I don't think I'm going to be trading my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts right now. I don't think it's the wrong time. I'm going to have to request the payout first tonight before we get to the Take Profit Trader. So let's try to trade something else. Not the funded next accounts. Yeah, I've got to trade my funded next accounts. I completely keep forgetting about this for accounts. Well, no, I don't want to do Apex as well. So let's take a look. All right, we'll trade funding ticks right now. All right, guys, we'll start the day with micro. So far we're kind of holding, right? So far we're kind of holding. So the Bitcoin trying to get a bounce, guys, by the way. But Bitcoin still, we have not broken out of this very important pivot. So we got to keep an eye on this, right? We got to get above $90,000 to kind of feel a lot more comfortable in a Bitcoin bounce. But yet we're still not there right now. So that's Bitcoin there on NQ though. Let's take a look. All right, so we are trying to get a bounce back up again. Let's put a Fibonacci retracement just to kind of like give us a better understanding where the market is. So 23.6 Fibonacci. We're kind of like sitting in that range, right? We broke out of this very important pivot here, obviously at 24,868. Now the thing is, we got to hold this area now and try to pierce through this. $25,000. That's about 30 points away from where we are now, and that could give us a continuation move to the upside here. We could get a couple days of bounce in this market. I mean, we got a huge massive bounce today, right? I kind of feel like we could continue pushing. Who knows what this market's gonna do, but for now I'm leaning more to the upside, at least for the next few days. We'll see how that goes. What prop firm has the good deal right now? Already have Take Profit Trader, wants someone with no unrealized drawdown. I'm assuming you're talking about trading drawdown. We've got quite a few right now. I've got Legend firm. I'm using Legend, and I'm also using funding ticks other than Take Profit Trader. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back, guys. Profess guy in the house. What up, brother? Top step full port 150k low, really? Trader 007. What up, brother? Salim Willini Koi. What is going on, everybody? Joy Crypto in the house, man. What up, brother? Welcome back, guys. Mike Henson. By the way, we've got some few winners of Take Profit Trader in the last few days. I wasn't able to process your price because Take Profit Trader has not been responding back to me, so I'm having a little bit of a challenge. So just bear with me. For winners of Take Profit Trader, I think it's pretty much the Take Profit Trader winners of the giveaways. So just bear with me, everybody. Why gold is moving up? Gold, wow. Gold is up 1%. Wow, guys, gold is moving. Oh yeah, Micmac, that's right. Yeah, not just Micmac. There's a few. Just keep following up. I'm sorry, man. Not intentional. I tried to get a hold of Take Profit Trader the whole morning today. By the way, just could not get lucky. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for being here today. Globex Asia, guys. It's a new day, another session. I hope all of you have a great trading session now. I hope you all had a great morning. All right, guys, I am. We are getting that little bit of rejection of that 982, getting a little pullback here, but it was a really tough market today, right? We had a big run and a big dump towards the end of the day. It was really confusing, right? Really confusing. It's really choppy. You know, I mean, the New York has a tendency to really rip really aggressively, and then the second half of the day is really choppy too. So it was really choppy the second half into the power hour as well. So it was really nothing there. And if you try to go really aggressive in your trades this morning, you would have been absolutely roasted by the market. So, and it almost kind of feel like it's no different right now during the Globex Asia. We're kind of chopping in this range. Something's got to break. Something's got to break. We're just not getting that sort of a break that we're looking for, right? So let's just take a look and see. I'd like to see this thing break underneath the 955, and that level has to continue breaking down to kind of feel a lot more bearish. But if we start to get a bounce and try to get over 985, and if that level holds, then I'm going to try and hop on a long here. So we're kind of in that no man's land right now, that very tight 20 points range. I want this trade price action to get out of this box, right? I need this thing to get out of this area now, right? So until we do that, I am not interested in trying to trade this market. All right, I'm kind of getting tired of playing the chop as much as I try to. And by the way, this is on a 200 tick chart. So, and on the right hand side is a 30 minutes chart, and I'm trading M&Q. Wondering by tomorrow. Oh my god, guys, man. Red tomorrow, it's gonna be a wild day. I think it's a long Thanksgiving week too, right? It's a long Thanksgiving week, and the market's getting a low float push to the upside. So we may end up getting a few days of run in this market. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to get a pullback. I'm just saying, if I had to make a little bit of my prediction, my analysis, the technicals kind of tells me that we could get some more run, maybe a little more just to the upside, but again, I don't know. We'll have to go. Let's just take, you know, let's try to take one step at a time. Also, by the way, I think Thursday is closed, or Thursday is a half day.
Connection lost.
Is Thursday closed or open? I think Thursday is a half day, isn't it?
Connection lost.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I think Thursday is closed. Actually, you know what? Thursday half day. Thursday and Friday is a half day. Thursday is closed. Guys, let's do something a little more exciting here. I know I know I've been kind of lagging as far as the giveaway goes, especially the take profit trade. I could not get hold of take profit trader, guys, but because it's a Thanksgiving and we got a lot of stuff going on right now, I'm gonna do something a little bit more exciting than the last few days. Just 1 second, guys. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm rolling out something right now, guys. Few minutes, everybody. Just give me a few minutes. Thank you, guys. Nvidia is dumping. What are you talking about? The market's closed. Oh, after hour. Nvidia dumping. Well, 2.5%. Nvidia down 2.5%, but Avgo, Broadcom is up. Let's take. Oh man, Avgo stock. That's weird. Nvidia down 2%, but Avgo Broadcom is up 2%. So, but obviously, Nvidia is a much larger firm as far as the market cap is concerned. Yeah, everything else is kind of fine. Meta is going to invest in Google. Crazy $40. All right, guys, we are pulling back here. We just broke underneath a very important key level. I'm gonna try and short this bad boy right now.
Order
filled.
But I'm gonna scale into my short
Order
position,
submitted.
right?
Order submitted.
So I'm looking for a
Order
little bit of a
submitted.
dead cat bounce back up
Order
again
submitted.
and give me that little bit of a rollover down into the 945.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've rolled out our new giveaway, which is happening right here, right now, today, guys. Take a look and follow the instruction, everybody. Thank you, guys. It's a Thanksgiving week, so it's a Take Profit Trader 150K account giveaway here today. It's a big one. It's a big one, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. It's yeah, it's an exciting giveaway for sure. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are participating on this giveaway, all right, back into this trading. I am gonna try and wait to see if we retest a 966 and get a rejection of the level, and maybe get a little flush down back into the 940s and the 930s, right? Let's see how it goes, guys. All right, fellow traders, I am shorting on a bounce right now. We just cracked underneath a very important trend line. So let's see if we curl back up again. Right, if we are back into the 980, then I'll probably end up exiting my trade. But if we get a rejection of this 970, I'll probably end up loading in some more short position.
Order filled.
That's it, guys, and that could be a little rejection there of that level.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 11 micro contracts here. Like I said again, this level here, 980, it's 980 for me. It's a hard breach, right? If you get above that, I'm gonna exit my trade.
Order filled.
Right at this level now. I'm gonna be looking for that extended move here to the downside into the 940s.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, I mean it's not just chop, but I think it's a really difficult market to trade, especially when the market keeps moving in one direction, right? It's really hard. Oh, by the way, guys, I got approved with the Apex account, and quite honestly, it really surprises me that once you get approved with Apex, they send you your payout pretty quickly. I'm really surprised with how, like, I mean, I'm not a happy camper with getting a lot of accounts getting denied on my payouts, but those that get approved, they're pretty quick, man. They're really quick. They're definitely way better than I thought it is. They've gotten a lot better as far as the payout is concerned. So I don't know what it is. Maybe the financials are getting better. I don't know. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here, which is which I don't know if it's good or bad, but if we get a rejection here into the 940s, then I think we could go all the way back down to the 920s here, guys. Maybe we're getting that pullback that we did not get at all today, right? We were looking for that pullback into the VWAP today, right, towards the power hour. We never really got any of that, and we kept chopping through the rest of the night, rest of the day. So maybe we're getting that pullback here. Try to back test the VWAP. I don't know where the heck is the VWAP, by the way. I can't even see. Anyways, I guess the VWAP is probably in that 850 zone, maybe. I'm not sure. Where's the VWAP? I can't see my VWAP here on this freaking chart for some reason. All right, we are getting that pullback here. All right, it's kind of chopping here at 958. Let's see if we get a bounce or we get a pullback here. We kind of got a nice little bounce off that 950, and wonder if that's going to be like a support area now. We'll see, break it down, guys. I'd love to see this thing break it down underneath the 950 and get us a little bit of a follow through extended move to the downside. It'll be really nice if we do that. All right, fellow traders, let's try to make some good trades. And guys, good luck. We got Take Profit Trader 150k account giveaway here happening tonight. Right, don't forget the exclamation Tiger. Type in, right, to give yourself a ticket, a chance to participate on this giveaway, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun here tonight. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well, if you guys want to support the stream. And by the way, StockTiger goes live every day, Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. And also, on top of that, we go live during New York at least twice a week, guys. All right, by the way, we are getting a bounce. This bounce is pretty, it's a pretty strong bounce that we are actually kind of getting right now. So I don't know. I may be in trouble. StockTiger in trouble, maybe. That's a pretty strong bounce that we actually got right there, right? So let's see, guys. If we don't get a rejection there again, then this could be a bounce back up again. I don't know. Are we gonna keep moving here to the upside? Maybe. But that was a pretty good bounce that we actually got. Let's see if that actually ends up holding, though. That's $1 million question. We may get a follow through down again, rejection off that 970, and maybe a pullback here. It's going to be an important level to kind of hold. If we hold this level and we keep pushing, I guess it's going to be like a bounce day and a continuation of an uptrending day into tomorrow morning. So it's going to be wild. Yeah, it's going to be a wild. All right, I'm gonna. Oh my God, look at this.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
And by the way, thank you guys for being here today as well. Every day with us. You guys are amazing. I'm not expecting anything pretty significant here coming into the Globex Asia. You guys know, obviously the market's not gonna give us that sort of an excitement that we got this morning, because Globex Asia is Globex Asia. What can we expect? Not too much, right? Probably the most we get is a nice little 30-40 points range chop. We'll try to get something out of this market, but I'm looking for the directional move though. I wonder what this market's gonna really do. Are we gonna get a chop, or are we going to get some run to the upside? I am very interested to know if we get a bounce this morning. Maybe we get a run for like few days, right? It could be an uptrending for the next few days until the Thanksgiving is over, and then we're gonna have to reevaluate on where this market's gonna go next, right? We're right at the pivot, so you know, I mean, I don't know if we're just gonna keep pushing here to the upside, but I think this market really wants to see that $25,000 mark, so they may try to retest the 25k at some point. I don't know when that's gonna be, but at some point I think we would love to see that 25k, and then we could kind of pull back in this market. Anyways guys, this market's kind of choppy here. I am gonna exit this trade.
Order filled.
Nothing really there. It's like a break even at this point, but it's really hard when you get this kind of a chop here. It's really hard to trade. But just keep in mind guys, I entered nicely at 960 area, as you guys can see on the left hand side, and then I had a chance to take it off on a pullback here down into the 950s, but it was quickly bought and we got to run. We got to bounce off that level and then got to bounce back into the 970, which is obviously gives you that sort of a sign that you still are getting a lot of buyers kind of stepping in into this market. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be hard to kind of say it's a bull trap. It's gonna be hard, but we are also kind of right, you know, in that range bound. So I'm gonna have to kind of wait. Anyways guys, how did everybody do today? We are getting a pull back into the 960s guys, but man, it's too choppy, right? It's really too choppy, so it's gonna be really hard for me to get into a trade. Maybe, I mean, I could try to get into a trade with 1 or 2 micros, but it's what is the goal, right? With 2 micros, woo, yeah, I'm gonna be making like 40 bucks. Hit DLL on your funded account. Luis Garita, what do you mean right now or this morning? I'm assuming this morning on your funded account, right? You got cooked today? Oh, I see. Okay, this morning. Bowser trades passed. I think I saw that. Guys, by the way, let's try to quickly take a look. That's from Andy. Yeah, that's the CME rules, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't realize we had more than one Andy, by the way. I got a little confused. I thought I'd been talking to one Andy all this time. Incredible. Let's take a look, guys. Oh my god. Annabelle. Look at this payouts, man. Incredible. This is just an incredible payouts. Warbucks. Oh, we got a Warbucks trader too. Oh, I wanna ask you about that experience with the Warbucks. I mean, the thing is, I don't want to get into any of this kind of stuff because you know what? This will enable you to be able to trade on the weekends too, and I don't want that, right? I want some peace of mind on the weekend, but if you're able to trade the Bitcoin through the Warbucks, like, and that bothers me because then I'm gonna be like trading on the weekend too, which is gonna be pretty bad. Scalpster taking more payouts here, guys. $1,500 with what again? Lucid Trader. Oh my god, man, he's a super duper professional trader with Lucid. Scalpster, another $900 as well. And Bowser with a pro account. Oh my god, another profits in the books. More payouts coming up from Bowser. I guess we could do a payout party together here tonight on your Take Profit Trader Pro account, guys. I've got $1,700 I locked in on my Take Profit Trader Pro account today. I like, it's amazing. Just feels so good to have those daily payouts and Take Profit Trader. It's amazing, guys. And maybe we could do it together with Bowser tonight. Holy man, great job, Bowser. Good stuff. We've got Silver with $36,000 with the funded next, man. That's a huge amount, man. How the heck you do it, I don't know. Anyways, we got Bowser. Let's take a look at the Bowser. I want to see the Bowsers. Bowser, there's a lot of great PNLs here on the Bowser. Really looking good, guys. And oh yeah, man, look at that. How the F you do that? 19 accounts all at the same time. That's a breaking news. Looks like Bowser is gonna be activating all these accounts for $40. Activation $40. Apex accounts, man. Holy smokes, man. This is amazing. Congrats, Bowser, man. That must be feeling good right now for ya. And we've got Duke 45 with I have no idea what account is this. Is this Take Profit Trader? I'm not sure. Oh, this is Take Profit Trader. Oh yeah, that's Take Profit Trader. Pro account, $200. Duke 45. Let's get those things to pay out, guys. Good stuff. All right, everybody, we'll get back into the trading mode now. Back again. The market's wonky, man. Look at this market, guys, man. We're just sitting nowhere, just sitting in that tight range, and that's not even a 20-30 points range, man. It's like 10 points. Thank you, Globex ASIA, for giving us this volatility that we've been waiting for. USD Bitcoin is great on Saturday. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to get into trading on the weekends, to be honest. I think that's a big mistake on my end. I'm just not in that camp. I don't know, man. Wow, that's gonna be crazy if I end up trading on the weekend too. I need some peace of mind, to be honest. I gotta get refreshed, right? In order to have a better week the following week. I should take a little bit of rest, man. Instead of trading Bitcoin. And honestly, I don't think the Bitcoin's gonna move anyways on the weekends. So we'll probably end up swing trading the Warbucks. But I don't know, man. I think it's really expensive too. Anyways, guys, forget about the Warbucks for now. We'll get back into trading. We're kind of like chopping in this range bound. We are only 30 minutes past Globex ASIA, guys, and yet we are not moving. We're not moving this market, everybody. I like Legend trading. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Legend trading firm. I like them the most so far with their 150Ks only. Right, the 150K only, right? And that's what I really like about their that's the only thing that I like. I don't know about their 50Ks, to be honest. It's $80. You know, I'm like, if it's $80 on a 50K, I probably would go after funding ticks, or maybe go after, I don't know, man. Top Step is also 89 now, right, with their 50Ks. So I think we're gonna have a lot of firms with $80 with their 50K accounts. I mean, on top of that, you've got Lucid Trader funding. 50K accounts are $80. but that comes with DLL too, so I don't know. Yeah, the thing is the 150Ks are only 127. That's what makes me very much excited with their 150Ks. Their 150Ks are actually pretty good. Right, PROPFIRM discount that we have here. Oh my god, I made a mistake here, by the way. I'm gonna get right, like here. No, this is 50Ks. Yes, if you go to the 150Ks, there are $127, right? All in. Right, that's all in. So I mean, I wouldn't mind paying $127 on a 150K account all day. So I kind of feel like that's probably the best deal we have in town. With Top Step, $89 on their no activation fee. I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyways, all I know is I got paid. Apex just paid me. That's great. Thank you, Apex, for doing that. And I requested another payout with Apex again right now. So we'll see if you can actually get approved on that too. I want to quickly take a look and see if there's anything else I can request in the next few days with Apex. Yeah, I got a lot of denials on my Apex accounts, by the way, so not good, not good. Not gutta. All right, hopefully we get approved on the request that I made today right now. Top 1 trader, I have no idea. Top 1 trader, I don't trade top 1. Quite honestly, I'm not interested in top 1. I'm not interested in alpha futures. I'm not interested in all these other firms, to be honest. I would rather just trade, I would say, I don't know. I think Funded Next is probably a better firm than Alpha and the top 1. But again, I could be wrong. I mean, if you guys have better opinion, let me know. I haven't tried it. I haven't traded a top 1 or alpha futures at all, so I don't know. But I did take a look at their pricings and their rules, and they did not really catch my attention. So is Lucid a great firm? It really depends. It really depends. And if you're gonna go with their 25K and pay about $60, that kind of makes sense. But I don't know. Their 150Ks, which I was kind of looking for, that offer is not even there right now. So I don't like their 50Ks. We'll see. Tom Zust, help. Which one is the best in town for 127? What is 127? I think Legend trading firm. They offer you right there. Yeah, the Legend firm offer you on a 150K with no activation, allows you to trade 12 mini contracts, and it's a $127 one-time fee. Your target's $9,000 with a drawdown $4,500, right? It's a daily loss. There's no daily loss limit too. The consistency is 40%, so you gotta keep that in mind. But honestly, I think it's a good firm. Yeah, I wish Lucy got rid of the DLL. Yeah, I mean, look. Because of the DLL, see, they're trying to be smart, right? And that's the thing that I don't like anymore about this. Well, it's not that I don't like them anymore. I like them, but because of the DLL, right? I try to step up to their 150k, but their offers are only on the 25 and the 50ks, right? So they want you to lose more money and lose more account. And that's one thing that really pissed me off, because I mean, you do not want to leave the 150ks as an orphan, right? I have never seen a firm offer you a discount on just certain account size and not the bigger ones. The idea behind trading the 150ks on a lucid trader accounts is because of their drawdown, right? And so if you're trying to get into the 150ks because of the drawdown, then why are you not promoting? You know what I mean? So that's what really kind of pissed me off a little bit, but it's okay. You know, it is it's not my firm, it's their firm. You know, they could probably do whatever they want with it. But just saying. I like the legend trading with $127 all in. I would go with that all day for now. I've got 3 accounts. I had 4. I blew one last night into this morning. I went full port. I was like, yo, baby, let's go full port. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Justin, right? You know what I mean? Like, just because traders are doing better on their 150ks, you're like, stop promoting? Like, what the heck, man? I mean, I understand the firms has to also be profitable, but you can't be too sneaky, you know what I mean? Don't make it too obvious. Come on. Yeah, you gotta get to the buffer first. Ver4Y. Yeah. Alright, guys, this market, we've been talking, we've been yapping, obviously me, for about 20 minutes, and this market hasn't done anything just yet. It's just been 965 all the way back to the 955. 10 points range. Yeah, even funding takes the same thing, man. I swear to God. Like, honestly, with all the dramas that the funding ticks came up with in the last few days, oh man. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not a happy camper right now with that firm for sure right now as we speak. With the stuff they've done, so much of drama for no reason. Right? I mean, again, this is all my personal opinion. And honestly, I don't really care if I'm an affiliate with them or not. It doesn't really matter at this point. We're gonna go with the firms that's gonna make sense, and that's gonna make us more successful as a trader. And yeah. Obviously with more payouts. A firm that's gonna give us more payouts. It's kind of weird because my stat on my payout so far, if you take a look, guys, it's pretty yeah, it's Top Step and Funding Ticks is kind of paying me the most. Obviously, I've got to add Apex to the table as well. I've got extra $2,000 that I've got to add, so that's probably $8,000 in Apex, right? So number one so far, I guess this month for now, it's the $8,000 from Apex. That's the biggest payout so far for the month. And then I guess it's a Top Step, right? Top Step's what again? I think it's about 7K Top Step. And then goes to Funding Ticks. But guess what? Take Profit Trader is not far off, right? I've got to include the 2 payouts that I've actually got today that I will be requesting here today, and I'll update the chart. But Take Profit Trader, I've got $1,700, so I guess they're right up there, right up in that leaderboard, the biggest and the largest Tiger. What about experience the legend trading? Legend trading, I'm fairly new. I'm going to be very honest. I'm fairly new to legend trading. I know that Patrick has been promoting legend trading for a while now, but I've never really gotten into that firm because things are pretty pricey. It did not make sense to me to pay an eval account and on top of that pay, like, I don't know, it was what, $160 for an activation, which you don't have that anymore. And things have become so much cheaper, right? It's $127 on a 150K account on legend trading. I mean, I'll take that all day, I think. Do you most firms are changing their rules in payouts? That's right, Pro Trader. I think more and more firms are going to change or adjust their rules. Is it going to be for the better? Absolutely not. I think they're gonna be sneaky. I think they're gonna try to look for something that's gonna be, you know, not gonna be on our favor. I'll tell you that much. I can already see a lot of these firms making adjustments. So, right? If this is the case, and this is how it's gonna go, almost kind of feel like Apex is gonna be definitely top on the leaderboard soon, including Billanox too. You know what I mean? Maybe at some point you get 2 payouts from these firms and they're gonna move you to live, and I can't even go to live. Incredible, guys. We are trying to get a bounce here, guys. 971 now. This could be a bounce back up again, guys.
Order
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I went 15 contracts right here, guys. 15 contracts. 972 area is where my entry is. 15 contracts. Look to see if we can pierce through this area now. If we get a rejection here, I don't know, man. Then I'm gonna have to exit my trade. But it does look like we're trying to pierce through this level now, guys. If we can pierce through at this level, actually end up holding, then I do see this market trying to get a bounce back into $25,000. Right, $25,000. If you're not far away, we're only like 20 points away from where we are now, right? So we'll see, guys. I'm holding here. My average here is at 972. Let's see, guys, if we get a bounce at this level or we get a pullback. If we get a pullback here, I'll exit my trade probably in that 965 area, guys. I will exit my trade in the area now.
Submitted. Order submitted.
If we get a bounce, that's
Order
great.
submitted.
We probably pierce through that
Order
25k.
submitted.
I think that's where this market is trying to get
Order
to, I think.
submitted.
You know what I mean? Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And thank you guys once again for being here every day with us live. Woo! Guys, I'm long right now with an average at 972, guys. I'm trying to see if we can retest the high here. Maybe. Oh, hold on one second, everybody. I'm long here, guys. I am gonna get stopped out though if we get a pullback here underneath the 965 here, guys.
Order
I'm already
submitted.
gonna place my hard stop here now. So I've got a hard stop placed at
filled.
965 here. Now I'm gonna be looking for a bounce back into the 25k first, and then probably get to the 40s. I mean, we're at the Globex ASIA. A lot of things can happen. We could just literally chop here in this range bound and get a stop. You know, get a pull back down into the 965. Yeah, there we go, guys. Look at that. We got a rejection off that 978. Does this mean that we're just gonna literally get a pullback? Maybe. We could also just get a bounce and rip and go and run to the 25k, and we're not far off. 25k is right up here. Hold on one second, guys. 1 second.
Order canceled.
God, I hate this chop, man. Globex ASIA is really annoying sometimes. You know what I mean? It's hard to trade the Globex ASIA because I have no idea where it's gonna go. No idea. Slow and chop. It's like, oh my god. Yeah, it's like dancing. You know what I mean? And that's the difficult part to trade the Globex ASIA. At some point, you get pissed, and when you get pissed, you're gonna full port during Globex ASIA, and you guys know what that means, right? You're gonna get cooked really hard. Globex ASIA, the one of the finest and largest session. Hello, what's up? Sorry I'm late. Akira, man, it's okay, man. Do not be sorry, brother. I thank you for being here now. So Nvidia trying to get a bounce back up again, I guess. How's it going, Mustafa? Yo, man, what is up? I'm doing okay. I'm doing fine, brother. I am doing fine. I'm kind of like trying to slow down on my trades because I don't want to get cooked, right? not during the Globex Asia. I mean, during New York as well. I've been really trying to go slow. And by the way, Legend Trading, I don't like their 50K, by the way. It's like $85, right? I'm not okay with that, to be very clear. But I'm completely okay with their 150Ks, though. For 127, all in. You guys know I've been waiting for Lucid Trader accounts to bring down their cost on their 150Ks. We never really got that, right? The cheapest 150Ks on Lucid Trader funding was $180, right? We don't have that anymore on top of it. So Legend coming up with their 127, that is definitely very attractive to me. Funding ticks, they've been quite sneaky. I've been quite honestly not very happy, but I think their 1K payout cap still stands out, right? And also Top Step, $89. I'm not sure. $89 on a Top Step 50K account. I've got a little bit of a question mark, to be honest. But we'll wait and see, guys. We'll wait and see. So far I kind of like the Apex one better, I guess, right? Apex one again. $37 on a Tradeovate eval and $40. You're literally paying what, $80 or something like that, all in. And you got a $2,500 trading drawdown, which seems
filled.
difficult because it's trading drawdown, but it's really not, because you've got $2,500 drawdown, right? And all you really have to make is 30%. That's the consistency rule. So really all you have to make is $600. Anyways, guys, we are getting a bounce, which is great.
Order
filled.
Order filled.
150K account is worth it with TS now, really? Well, I don't know, because their pricing is pretty expensive, no? On the 150K. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little bounce here, guys. 981. Maybe our target here into the 25K. I guess this is where this market is trying to get to. We got a nice little bull flag break out of this little channel here, right? We could get another one here as well and get a nice, beautiful breakout to get us that move to the upside into the 25K. That's obviously what this market is trying to get to, right? So we'll see, guys. I'm trading one account. One open position right now. And by the way, I've got my Take Profit Trader, man. I took, there's 2 pro accounts that I've taken $870 on an average, $850 on each of these accounts. So 850 times 2, and that's $1,700 of payout that I'm going to be requesting here with my fellow traders here tonight live in about 30 minutes, I guess, right? And that's when obviously their dashboard gets updated. So yeah, so far the best thing about this morning was my Take Profit Trader Pro account, man. It could have got a lot worse, by the way. I almost ended up losing my pro account, but somehow we managed. And the bottom line of the story is we got the payouts, daily payouts coming in. This is another 4th day in a row, guys, with a pro account, daily payouts. So I look forward to that tonight. All right, guys, we got a little rejection there at 985. All you have to do is type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on this giveaway. You're gonna get a ticket. What is up, Div45, man? What is going on, brother? How's your pro account going? How's your pro account going so far, bro? Gold is breaking out. Really, guys? The gold is breaking out. Look, the Bitcoin's kind of pulling back here, even though we have a lot of strength in this overall market. The Bitcoin really did not do as much. The Bitcoin down about 1%, so I don't know. Oh, let's take a look at the gold. Oh yeah, the gold's breaking out, guys. The gold is definitely breaking out here, everybody. The Bitcoin breaking out. The gold breaking out, the gold breaking out, NQ breaking out as well at the same time. You got burned by gold too many times. Yeah, man. You got burned. I got destroyed by gold. Gold is definitely a different animal. You know, it's really hard to trade gold. Really hard to trade gold. I mean, I've not been trading gold in a while now. You guys know, even doing not just in the live streaming, but when I'm trading on my own, I haven't been trading. I haven't been trading gold for a while now, which is great. Which is great. Feels great too. I'm not tempted anymore. I think that's a good thing, right? You know what I mean? Like every time I take a look at the gold, I'm like, you know what? I'm like, I used to be tempted to go either long or short, you know. And I got a bit excited every time I look at the gold, but not anymore. It's like, you know what? Oh, okay. Well, it's moving. Oh, okay. It's moving like 10 points. All right. Okay. It looks good. But that's it. You know what I mean? It doesn't make me want to go long or short in the gold. So that's good. That's a good adjustments that I've made. You know, you almost kind of feel like I'm getting ready to not trade gold anymore. So I'm happy. Gold eventually makes you either lose. I mean, you may get lucky, you know what I mean? Like if you get 100 points move into gold, right? At some point, and you, let's say you got into a trade with like 10 mini contracts, and then you, let's just say you got kind of lucky, right? And the gold moves like 100 points. Yeah, you're gonna be a multi-millionaire, I guess. I don't know, but but in a lot of cases, it's hard to trade. At least for normal, you know, normal trader like myself. I'm pretty sure we got a lot of great gold traders. Like, look, dude 45 banking so much, just trading gold. I'm just not even there yet, so. But yeah, ultimately the bottom line of the story, the gold is tough to trade. And that's the bottom line. You gotta be, yeah, you gotta have a little bit of a different strategy when you're trading gold versus NQ for sure. Even the Bitcoin's kind of hard to trade, right? The futures, in the futures world for sure. Anyways, guys, the MNQ, I don't know what this NQ is trying to do, guys. Are we gonna pull back here, or I do kind of feel like, you know, we try to retest the 25k before we try to get a pullback here. So I'm gonna hold on to my 9 contracts that I have, and I'm gonna be looking for that bounce back into 25k. That could be my final take profit there, and then probably look for a pullback in this market, I guess, tonight. But for now, I kind of feel like we gotta bounce back into 25k, even though it looks like, you know, we may try to just chop here in this range. Anyways, guys, I've only got 9 contracts here, 9 micro. I'm not the end of the world, by the way. Yeah, so I mean, Apex is great because they've been, you know, I mean, of course, getting denied kind of feels bad, but anything that gets proved, it's been paying pretty quickly. So that's a very positive sign, if you will. A little pullback here, guys. Getting a little pullback here. Oh man, I just want to add to this position, to be honest, man. But I don't want to get caught on the wrong side, and because it's just so choppy right now, it's really hard to kind of gauge if this is gonna be uptrending here tonight or it's hard. It's kind of hard to read the market, right? It's kind of hard to read this market. Look at this market, guys. It's so like there's no direction. That's why it's kind of hard to try to be a little more aggressive in this trade. Anyways, guys, I've got 9 contracts. If you get a pullback here, I'll add to my I'll add to my long position and look to go long here off that EMA here, 930, 965, and maybe down into the 955 as well. So yes, it feels heavy, but it's trying to trend up. It is trying to trend up, but the thing is, yeah, I mean, expecting, let's just not expect too much out of this Globex Asia. Oh, and by the way, guys, we got 4 more minutes for Tokyo too. We've got Tokyo too in 4 more minutes, guys. Yeah, we got 4 more minutes for Globex Asia. Sorry, Tokyo. That's gonna get pretty interesting too. I completely forgot that we had Tokyo now running in about 4 more minutes. Incredible. All right, I don't know if this I don't know if Tokyo is gonna sell off this market, to be honest. We had a big run obviously in the morning and overnight as well, overnight. But what a move, guys, man. What a move in this morning. Incredible. That's a 500 points run in this morning. Crazy market, guys. Crazy. And honestly, I did not even capitalize on this move at all. I was just not even there at all this whole morning. I missed this whole move to the upside, by the way. Did anybody catch that big move to the upside today this morning? I missed it completely. And all I did was just get a little range bound, say, trade, especially with my Take Profit Trader Pro account. That $870 that I made against 2 accounts were all pretty much like 10 point, 20 points range. It was a tough day for some reason. It didn't, like, looking at it right now, it didn't look like, you know, it was a tough day. All you really had to do was just go long, but again, I kind of feel like I missed the whole move to the upside. On my Discord link, I'm gonna share right now, guys. I'm gonna share right now. 1 second, everybody. I'm gonna share my Discord link here. There we go, guys. There we go. That's my Discord link. If you guys want to hang out, it is all yours. Oh my god, Dude 45, guys, watch. Take a look at Dude 45 here on his pro account. This could be getting pretty close to his first ever payout with Take Profit Trader, guys. $350 trading gold here today. Incredible, guys. Ever getting closer on a pro account. Love it. Dude 45, let's kill it, brother. Let's kill it. Maybe you should kind of walk away now. Run away. Oh my god, we are getting a pullback here, and that's a nasty pullback here. That's a rejection. We are approaching Tokyo now. 1 more minute for Tokyo, obviously, and the market's kind of selling off, man. Look at this. But we just take a look from a 30-minute standpoint. It's a wick. Chop wick. So nothing really there. I'm not gonna panic sell right now. We're kind of oversold from an RSS standpoint, right in that 30, below 30. But if you just take a look for 30 minutes, it's kind of like really a chop. So far, it looks like a chop for me. All right, Tokyo is now opening 4 more seconds.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh man, are we gonna sell off here today? Is that what it is? Oh, look at that nasty looking sell off here, guys. I'm down about $300. Wow.
Order
Order filled.
I mean, we could just kind of chop here, right? 952, I guess 983. That's 30 points range. Yeah, not looking that great so far.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Looks like a sell-off here, right? We just broke underneath a very important level too, so we really have to hold this, or else we are capito. It's time to say goodbye. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Yeah, man, I'm down about $500 now. Not looking that great. Let's see how much of drawdown I've got on this bad boy. I've got $1,500 drawdown, so not as bad, but
order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
all right, I've got 30 contracts now. Now we really have to get a bounce. I'll just exit this trade if we end up getting a pullback here. It almost kind of feels like we could roll over down as well. This 950, we've got to hold this 950, guys. That's a pretty aggressive sell-off that we actually got here. But 950, maybe we get a bounce before we try to roll over down if this market is truly bearish here coming into today. Yeah, I'll exit that trade, guys. I'll exit that trade. I'll exit that trade, guys. I don't know. It's looking bearish. Let's watch this market for now. I'll try to get it back. It's selling off here, guys. It's selling off. Yeah, I have $1,000 drawdown. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be hard for me to short this market now as well, right? You're right at the discounted price here. So I'm kind of like stuck between the two now. Yeah, it's a nasty open. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, trading Globex ASIA is not easy to begin with, and yeah, that's a pretty aggressive dumpage that we actually got now. That's like a 60 points dumpage, right? I'm gonna look for a bear flag. Let's see if we get a little pop here, and I'm gonna try and short this again. We just broke underneath, obviously, a key level 950, and we are approaching that 930 now. But we got a major level of support waiting in that 925 too. So 925 is going to be a big level. I wonder if that's going to hold. Definitely going to get pretty interesting here, guys. 950, sorry, 930, we have to hold that. Yeah, pretty interesting price action so far, guys. It's pretty interesting, guys. We had we've been waiting for this kind of a move whole morning, guys. We've been waiting for this kind of a sell-off the whole freaking morning, and the market just cannot do any of that pullback, right? And now we are getting that pullback here. 930s, incredible. I don't even know what to tell you, right? We are waiting for this kind of a pullback here all day today, and now we're getting it. Now I wonder if we are going to get a bounce off this level though. We are getting a bounce. Oh yeah, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be tough for me to trade on this level now, right? It's like, I mean, I should have showed it right at the top there. But it just went straight down with no meaningful, with no sign at all, right at the top there. Maybe that could have been a double top there. Maybe I should have read that. I don't know. Yeah, we are starting to see some volatility step in, guys. Look at this bounce now. It's still hard for me to try to short this.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submitted.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna try and short this all the way into the 960.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And
Order
look
canceled.
to have a mental stop here at 965, right? 965 to 970 zone. This is probably an area where it's gonna like, if we get a bounce into this level, then yeah, then I think we get a bounce in this market.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Is this going to be net resistance and give us that kind of a pullback we've been waiting for? All right, I may try to add now some more.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Oh yeah, this is an eval account, by the way. This is an eval account. Difficult market yet again. All right, I'll let you this trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, I have no idea where this is gonna go, man. Trust me, no idea. Such a wonky price action. Welcome to the Globex Asia, guys. Oh my god, incredible, very annoying. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be hard. I mean, it looks like a shorting opportunity, right? But we could also get a bounce back up again for all you know, so it's weird, guys. It's gonna get pretty interesting, right? If Globex Asia is gonna sell, if Asia is gonna sell today, what does that mean for tomorrow? You know what I mean? Like, this doesn't look like a small little sell-off that we may be witnessing here. We may try to pull back all the way back into the low 800s, right? If this is going to be a pullback, that could have that follow through. We could see this thing pull back here into the low 800s. And I really wonder what Globex, the London is going to do. Oh, this is definitely getting very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. And we are pulling back here, guys. We're getting a little bit of a bear flag here kind of forming. I kind of like this to the downside, to be honest. And let's look for a little bounce back into the 940s. So I can try to short this bad boy all the way down. Maybe all the way down to like 900 area. And that's like 30 points away from where we are. So I'm going to look for a little bounce here. And look to try to short this bad boy right now, guys. We got a nice little bear flag, but let's see if we can actually have that follow through now. Right, and maybe a bounce back into 940, and then from there I try to short this. You feel like you're in a bull trap? On a 5-minute chart, you can barely notice the sell-off. On a 5-minute chart, I'm on a 30-minute chart on the right-hand side, by the way. Yeah, I'm on a 30-minute chart on the right-hand side, and but just think about it, guys. This is the first real attempt of a pullback that we are getting here, right? Did we get any kind of a pullback that we actually got right now during New York? We never did that, right? We tried. The market tried, but market really did not have anything similar to what we got right here, right now. I mean, yes, it's a small little pullback here, but I mean, right from the top here, 986, all the way down to the 930s. That's a good 50 points pullback, and straight down. So we didn't get that today during the power hour, right? So that's what I was talking about. But yes, nothing really too significant, to be honest. But again, that's like a 60 points, right? Do we hold on one second, guys? Autopilot. Oh yeah, I'm not scared. Yeah, I mean, you're definitely talking to the wrong person. StockTiger getting scared. You're never gonna see StockTiger get scared of this market. StockTiger. All right, guys. I wanna try to find out if I can actually request a payout with Take Profit Trader here right now, guys. Hold on one second. Looks flushy down. Oh man, it's definitely been a difficult one to trade today. All right, I still have not gotten my credit. You know, I'm trying to get a hold of Take Profit Trader, man. It's been a difficult one to get a hold of. I'll be honest. Yeah, I've been waiting for Take Profit Trader to respond back to me, man. It's been a difficult one for sure. I don't know if you guys were having a little bit of a tough time trying to go. Oh, Take Profit Trader dashboard is updated, guys. Thank you, mucho gracias, everybody. Mwah. Oh, baby. All right, guys, I am going to request a payout now. 1 second, guys. Right to the cent. 829.5. I'm gonna be requesting 829.5. Everything. Oh, you can't do that. you can't request a cent. I'm cheap. I tried to request the cent too. 0.5. It didn't work out. All right, hey man, at least you know what? You know, this small payouts, it all really adds up, Rand. It all really adds up, guys. It all adds up. I'm telling you right now. And I've been taking out for 4 days straight in a row now. I know the last one was like a small little $200 payout, but I mean, I kind of learned to find a way to not trade anymore once I'm in the money, so I can request a payout. Because you know, you tend to get a little greedy, I'll be honest, and I've been greedy a lot of times. Let's just say you have $500 of profit on your pro account. You know, you could take the $500 and walk away, but you're looking for that extra $1,000 and you end up blowing your account. It's happened to me a lot of times. But for some reason, for the last few days, I've been patiently trading, and if I'm up like $500, I'll walk away. I don't know, I'm just getting better at it, so that's good. So hold on one second, guys. I'm requesting a payout, and we will go ahead and do our giveaway as well, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream as well. If you guys are new here, reminder, StockTiger goes live every day during Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and also you guys see me go live during New York as well, guys. The only session that I don't trade is unfortunately London. That's the only session I don't trade. Oh, there we go. Bowser is smart, man. He's one step ahead of me. Guys, 1 second. Bowser is one step ahead of me. Watch. Take a look, guys. Bowser. Soon as I say take profit trader updated their dashboard, Bowser goes in and banks a takeout. Payout, guys. Bowser 729. He's got another one too. I think he's requested twice. Oh yeah, $700 and $500. And for me, I requested $800 here, one, and I requested $829 here as well. So hey, I'll take it, brother. I'll take it. And I also requested another payout here with Apex, $2,000. And let's just take a look and see who else have taken some more payouts, guys. Annabella as well, and we've got Scalpster taking payouts too. That's great. Bowser, man, he's a killer monster. Good stuff, good stuff. Anyways, guys, I've taken my take profit trader payout now. That's great. We'll look to see if we can actually continue taking those daily payouts every day, guys. I'd love to see that. So there we are, and let's take a look at the other stuff. Oh yeah. All right, by the way, let's take a look at our giveaway too here. I am going to close the entries here, guys, by the way. I am going to close the entries. I'm gonna close the entries here, guys. We got 300 entries. You better not type in anymore, Tiger. Don't do that. I'm watching. All right, guys. Yeah, man, I wanted to short this, but I kind of felt like, you know, I'm right at the bottom here, and I was looking for that little pop here before I can actually try to short this market again. But not a great trades, to be honest. Not very happy with my last trade, but again, just one of those days, right? Not every day is gonna be a winning trade. At least I'm glad I'm here with you guys, my fellow traders, every day here, guys. That's really all that matters, to be honest, at the end of the day. And some payouts as well. We've requested 2 payouts with Take Profit Trader, and also we requested Apex as well, $2,000. So that's 3 payouts today. I'll take it. Yeah, it's a lower volume too. It's really hard to kind of trade in this kind of a market price action. I don't want to kind of force myself into trades also. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are part of this giveaway, it's a Take Profit Trader 150K account giveaway, guys. It is the one. All right, fellow traders. Take Profit Trader 150K giveaway is happening right now, right here. The entries are closed. And we are going to pick the winner now. Yeah, the market's really wonky, man. I want to see a better price action. I'm just not getting any of that. We got to dump it right at the start. Damn it. Thank you, Tokyo, for dumping me down. And then I kind of got cooked. And we are kind of down. And I'm looking for that one more leg to the downside. But I like to see a little bit of a pop here. All right. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Woo! Let's go, guys. Yeah, so far, somebody asked me about my payout. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to the target, 35K. I'm getting really close, guys, man. I'm really trying my level best to get it up there, but again, it's I wish it was as easy as it sounds. But we'll try. Hopefully, we get close to 35K, $35,000 for the month of November, and that's gonna be probably one of my bigger months. The biggest one I had was in May, and November maybe getting pretty close. I wanted to get to 40K, to be honest, but again, let's not try to be greedy. We still have, guess what, guys, we still have another week to go to finish the month, so we still have some ways to go. To try my level best to get to my to some more payouts. If I can get some more with the Take Profit Trader daily payout, maybe I could get pretty close. We'll see, guys. One good trade is all we need. And I wonder what this market's gonna do tomorrow. Gonna get pretty interesting. A long Thanksgiving week as well. So, all right, good luck, everybody. I am going to now pick the winner. Yeah, no, Noah Suarez. As long as you haven't spent $35,000 on the eval, yeah. There's no, even if I want to, it's hard. It's hard. Yeah. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. I have closed the entries, and now I'm gonna pick the winner. I'm very serious. I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, guys. Bum. You got 3 minutes to claim your price too, right? All right, we've got Jed Moscow. Holy. All right, guys, we got Zed Moscow. All right, I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to claim. 3 minutes starts right now, right here. Oh my God, I sense that Moscow is gonna be like right. He's gonna be quiet for 2 minutes. The last few seconds, he's gonna pop and say, "Hey, I am the winner." All right, we got Zedmod. He's not here anymore, guys, man. Everyone is like, oh, he's not here anymore. Okay, well, time to redraw. Zedmod is not here. 2 more minutes, guys. Guys, I told you, we're gonna stick to the plan, okay? We are gonna stick to the plan. You had 3 minutes. Don't come back to me and say, oh, I was in the washroom, I was taking a shower, I was shoveling my snow. Do not come back and tell me that. Okay. I told you guys, 3 minutes. You heard that. Don't complain later, please. All right, 1.5 more minutes, guys. Oh my God, he's not here, really? He's not here? Are you seriously? We got over 500 viewers right now. I can't believe he's not one of them. I can't believe that. Oh my God, 1 more minute. 1 more minute, guys. That's all we have. Extra 1 more minute though, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. 50 seconds, guys. I'm telling you, he's gonna show up in the last 10 seconds. I'm telling you. I've seen that. We've seen that plenty of times over and over again, right? In the last 10 seconds, he's gonna be here. Last 10 seconds, watch. Actually, you know what? This is getting more exciting than trading itself. Uh-oh, 26 seconds, guys. 26 seconds. I'm gonna have to share that with everybody here. Oh my God, he's not here. 14 more seconds, everybody. Holy mochaccino. 8 more seconds, guys. This is not fair. This is not fair, everybody. No. Oh my God, man. He's gone. He's not there anymore. Oh my God. I can't believe that, guys. It is so sad. He's not here, guys. It's that time of the day. It's that time of the day to redo the draw. He's still not here, right? He's still not here, is it? Yeah, he's still not here, I think. I don't think so. Yeah. All right, he's not here. All right, I'm gonna resume the entries for. I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute to kind of enter if you guys are new here in the stream. I think we've got quite a few new entries trying to get into this draw. All right, I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute, guys. That's it. Nothing more than that, really. Just 1 more minute, guys, and that's it. Yeah, only one entry. All right, I requested my payout with my take profit traders, so that's good. I wonder if I can actually do with my funding ticks now. Yeah, my funding ticks, I've got some payout to request pretty soon here as well. All right, I think this market's kind of pulling back here right now as you speak. Pretty crazy, pretty wild. Oh, and by the way, guys, I've got a request payout with the with what again? With oh my God, 1 second, guys. with Top Step too, so I'm gonna have to trade the Top Step because I only need 160 bucks to request a payout with Top Step. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the entry now. We'll call it. We'll close the entry. All right, I'm gonna pick the winner now, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, I've got to trade the I've got to trade the what it called again. I'm gonna trade the Express account because I need $150 to request a payout. All right, before we do that, once again,
Order filled.
all right, good luck, everybody. I am going to call out the winner now. Yeah, the music makes us the raffle sound intense. Yeah, Jonathan. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. Take Profit Trader 150K. We are drawing it again. I hope you guys are here now. All right, Nimex in the house. Nimex, I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to confirm that you are here. Remax. All right, Nimex, are you here? Let me know. Nimex, oh my god, Nimex. Oh, it did not really take a long time for Nimex to confirm. Holy mochaccino. That response was pretty quick there. All right, there goes the winner. There goes the winner, guys. Congrats, Nimex. You are the winner of the biggest and the largest Take Profit Trader 150K account giveaway champion. I'm gonna have to have you DM me once the streaming is over. And congrats once again for being the winner here tonight. Yo, man, awesome. All right, so we have a winner. We finally have a winner, guys. And time to go back to my trading. I've got a request to do here tonight. So I'm really looking for $150 trade if I can. So I can request a payout here tonight, guys, alongside my fellow traders again. So that's going to be my 4th payout request that I'm going to be making here tonight. All right, with Take Profit Trader. Sorry, this is going to be my Top Step. All right, Top Step payout request that I'm going to be making. I'm trying to long, but I don't know, man. This is not looking that great. Maybe get a little pop here back into the VWAP. Let's give it a shot, guys. I'm gonna have a hard stop though on this one because the pull. Actually, you know what? Maybe I lied. Is anybody going long here in this market? Because this pullback here doesn't seem like it's gonna hold, right? I don't know. Maybe get a little bit of a dead cat bounce too. Yeah, I kind of feel like, you know, we get a little dead cat bounce back up again, at least back into the 945s.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try and long here and put a really tight stop on this bad boy as well. So guys, I'm looking for that little pop here back into the 945. Is anybody long? Min max? You thought we said min max? Oh no. Oh my god, yeah, guys, I'm long here right now. I'm gonna be looking for that little bounce back into the 945, guys. Let's see if we get it.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm
Order filled.
10 contracts here. Let's try to see 942. That's really all I'm kind of looking for right now, guys. 942. And I've got a hard stop here. I'm gonna be risking 150 bucks. Or maybe, guys, we are getting that move. Maybe we are getting that, guys. I'm gonna place my hard stop here at the break even now.
Order filled.
1 second, guys. Like I said again,
Order
I just need
filled.
$150.
Order filled.
Let's try to see if I can actually get it right now, guys. I may be getting it. I may be getting pretty close. I think I've got it, to be honest.
Order filled.
No, I still need just a little more. Just a little more, guys. I'm getting pretty close, guys. I think I've got this. I think.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, 164. I think I've got it. I've got it, guys. I think I've got this. Yeah, so I'm gonna be requesting a payout right now, guys. 1 second. Yep, I'm gonna be requesting a payout. It's 160 bucks. I closed it. No, it actually hit my TP. 1 second, guys. This could be a bigger payout. 1 second. Yeah, it's 15 days of trading on this one, so. Oh, yeah, man, their dashboard's not updating. Yeah, the dashboard is not updated. God, man, they gotta step up on their dashboard, man. Piss me off. How much? They are 90-10 split, right? Right now, I think 90-10, 90-10 minus 10% times 10%. Yeah, so they're 10%, right? So 90-10. So a trader take 90% and they take 10% of the share. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wait. Yeah, the dashboard's not updated right now, so yeah, I'm not a happy camper. I wanted to request a payout, to be honest, but 72.35. 72.35. Hold on 1 second, guys. 72.35 divided by 2. I don't know. Was it divided by 2? I can't remember exactly what it was. So it's 7,200 divided by 2. And that's $3,600. Minus 10%. So that's $3,300. Yeah, I know, man. It's hard math. Holy mochino. That was the toughest thing to calculate. Okay, so there we are, guys. $3,300 locked in. I'm gonna close this. What do you call this? I'm gonna do a personal lockout on this. So there we are. We'll go back to the other one. Not bad. I mean, I think yeah. So I've taken some pretty decent payouts so far, right? We've taken from Take Profit Trader. We did 2, and I got approved with through my Apex account as well. And then I requested another payout with Apex tonight. Obviously, you guys were there. It's on my payout tab. And then also, I'm going to be requesting a payout with Top Step 2 tomorrow morning, as soon as their dashboard updates. And that's yeah. So that's these all adds up, right? And that's how I get to say 35K. And this is how it's going to be, right? I'm getting pretty close to 35. So. And if I can request another, say, $4,000 to $6,000 of payout from Apex in the next few days, and that's going to be obviously a much better. The kind of funny thing is that I've got Apex accounts. You know, I've got 3 accounts over $5,600. There's one account. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's $55,000 right now. Oh, sorry, I don't think you guys can see because of that little thing there. 1 second, I'll take it up. All right, so there's one account. Sorry, not account. There's one Apex account that's 55,000, and that's 55,000 because my $2,000 just got approved. Right, so I've got one account, a little less than 60,000. So, and these are all gonna keep adding and adding and adding. At some point, I've already got 7. Well, it's my 7th payout request, but obviously out of that 7 payout requests, I've got 4 denied. So it's only really 3 payouts that got approved. So I still got like 3 more payouts to request in order to take the full money out. So maybe it could be a good December. Who knows, right? It could be a good December. We're gonna have to take a look and see what the Top Step kind of offers are.
I'm gonna do a little more digging into their offers. But yeah, that's where we are right now, guys. That's where we are. And NQ is right at the edge, by the way, right at the edge. We really have to start holding, right? If we can't hold this, then man, we could just we could just literally pull back all the way down. I don't know. December, I think it's gonna be. I think it could turn out to be a massive December. To be honest, man, I'll be honest. It could turn out to be a massive December. And yeah, I don't copy trade any of my accounts. I don't copy trade. I've been told. Last December I thought we had Santa Claus rally last year. I think we had it, Santa Claus rally. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, yeah, I just gotta be. I just gotta continue showing discipline, right? And try to go slower and slower and slower as we now approach the last trading month of the year, right? So, I mean, as long as I stick to my game plan and obviously trying to go slow, I think that's the key. I think we should be able to have some really strong month, right? My payouts has been grinding really nicely, right? You guys know we've been consistently taking $20,000 to $40,000 every month, and it's just getting bigger and bigger as we continue to grind in this journey, right? So I'm still waiting for Take Profit Trader to get me my credits, man. I'm having a hard time trying to get a hold of Take Profit Trader for some reason. Singing Soul, Joe Crypto, man, what up? 3 days after Christmas and 2 days after the New Year. I think we had it last year, I think, if I'm not wrong, right? All right, guys, this market's trying to pull back here. I don't know. Yeah, man, we are pretty oversold, man. The RSI kind of like at 28. I'm gonna look for a little pop here. Try to go. I like the short idea better, obviously, but it's we are right at the edge. 927, guys. That's gonna be a key level. We really have to hold this, or else I think we go all the way back down into 890. Right, 890 is where probably we would end up getting down to if we can't hold this area now, right? I'll scale into my trade, guys, on a pop. I'll keep adding to my short position as we try to get a balance, and then we'll see how it goes, guys. I will exit this trade if we pop over 960.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right. Let's see. JT, what is going on, man? Same
Order
here,
filled.
bro. Been waiting days for a credit. Oh yeah. So JT also waiting for the credit too. I've been waiting. Yeah, I've been waiting for I would say a good 3 days on. It's weird because I got credit on some, but I did not get credit on the others, which was actually
Order
kind of like
Order
the
filled.
longest one I had in a while. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. I think they just forgot, or I don't know. It's maybe a little bit of a glitch, I would say, which kind of sucks. But you know, you've been waiting for a week now. Oh, week. I mean, if
Order.
you're including on the
Order filled.
weekends too, then it's yeah, it's been a week. Yeah, for sure. What today's Monday, right? So yeah, the weekend, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday really shouldn't be counted, but at the end of the day, it still counts. Yeah, so I think there's these are accounts I think I passed on Thursday night, so into Friday morning. So I would have 5 accounts now by tomorrow. Should be technically I should have had 5, but I mean I only have what handful now. So I mean it's okay. At the end of the day, you know, I'm in no rush to keep adding pro account, to be honest, because I also have a tendency to full port the pro account sometimes. So maybe it's a good thing I'm kind of waiting and trade something else other than pro account. Really, not the end of the world for me. Luckily, I'm in no rush at the moment. Yeah, and I've got some big payouts coming from funding ticks too in the next few days. I think it's November, what again? November 27th is when I can request a whole bunch of payouts with funding ticks. So that's good. That's good. And I've got a lot of buffer on this freaking funding ticks too. Yeah, looking good so far. I think the one that I really like is the top step. I've got some good profits on that XFA that I had, and Tech Profit Trader. I've got 2 pro accounts that's above the buffer now. So all I really have to do is go with the base hits and look for that couple $100 every day between now through the rest of the month, and it really adds up. Say $200 every day between now through the rest of the month. And that's like on 2 of the funded accounts, on 2 of the pro accounts. Think about it, right? It's 6 days. Sorry, not 6 days, including the weekends. But it's 4 days times $200. Do the math. It all adds up. It could be like a couple $1,000s by the time it's said and done before the month is over, right? And then on top of that, we got a lot of Apex accounts. Getting above the buffer, and I think 3 or 4 accounts on Apex. I've got like $6,000-7,000 of profit right now. So things are kind of shaping out and looking pretty good. The way I would like it to be for the month of December, right? So we got one last trading month, and it's over. 2025 is over now in about a little over 30 days. So. Yeah, I mean, my goal is to have a successful payout, yet another strong payout month for December, and at the same time, just continue sustaining about 30 funded accounts by the time December is over. So when we get to the month of January, I could have a strong start to the year, new year. And that's really all I'm looking for, right? And now that we had a big big year, I mean, I had over I think it's a little over $250,000, $240,000 maybe now. Maybe by the time the year is over, maybe give or take $250K. That's a pretty significant jump versus what we had last year, right? Last year we only had about $90,000, right? And if you compare that to last year, it's times what again? Times 3, right? 3x last year's, and yet the spending was a lot less too. So I'm very grateful, guys, very grateful. I think we had a pretty successful year overall. I mean, yeah, it could always get better. It could always be better, right? And we always gonna complain and whine and bitch about all the crappy stuff that we've done, you know, trading journey. But yeah, I'm definitely content. You know, I mean, according to my standard, I think that's a pretty successful year. Yeah, and next year it's gonna get even more exciting, right? Next year is gonna be tougher for me because I'm gonna have to look for new firms, because I think a lot of firms are gonna try to move me to live, and by doing that, it's gonna be a problem because I can't go live, right? So I'm gonna have to look, look to expand my portfolio, and I think we're gonna have a lot of newer firms too coming in next year too. Think about it, like last year versus this year, we had so much more firms this year than versus last year, right? So I think next year is also gonna get very exciting too. I'll be happy with similar kind of a payout range for next year to this year, right? So you can go to Ontario. Even if you live in Ontario, I think a lot of these firms are not like approving you to go live, by the way. Even if you go to Ontario, and isn't that crazy? Holy man. Which account size do you think is the best to get? It really depends on what sort of a trader you are. For me, I kind of feel like my sweet spot would be the 50Ks, right? I wouldn't mind trading 150Ks if the price makes sense. But generally speaking, I kind of fit the 50K. I kind of feel like it's the sweet spot for me. So
Order filled.
all right, guys, we are getting a bounce here. Thank you, Market, for doing that. You are incredible. Let's see how much of drawdown I've got. I've gotten a little less than $1,000. That's fine. I can still survive this trade, I guess. Like I said again, I will exit my trade if we get over 960 here. If we get over 960, I'll exit my trade. Oh well. So they are not even allowing traders from Ontario. I think some of the firms does not allow. That's weird. Honestly, I don't understand why. I don't understand why. Not that I really want to get to live. It doesn't really matter. But I mean, but if you can't go live, then the firms are gonna ban you, right? Because if you keep taking their profits, it's no good. Right? That's what the problem is. It's like, you know, if I was a firm and if you keep taking my money, I'm gonna kick you out. What country are you based in? Yeah, we're in Canada, bro. How long does it take for you to reach how long do it take you to reach this next level? I'm not sure what your question is, brother. I'm not sure. Why can't you go live? Because we live in Canada, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, man. I think it's because you're technically you're Canadian. We got different regulations. We got different rules, and in order to go live, I think it kind of conflicts with the regulation that we have here in Canada. With an exception, I think a lot of the firms allow you to trade live when you live in Ontario, right? So if you're part of Ontario, I think you're kind of like protected in some ways, but anything beyond that in other regions, other parts of Canada, you're kind of like you're kind of stuck. We live in a free nation. Yeah, move to the US. No way, man. No way. Too expensive. Not that Canada is any cheaper, but that's the reason we can't go live. What's the reason again? Oh, free nation called. Yeah, I don't know, man. I have no idea what the heck is the problem, but I'm definitely not a happy camper with everything that's going on, for sure. Nemples, you do not like Take Profit Trader Black Friday deal. Yeah, I mean, look, we all want hottest deals, and I get it, right? I get it, but I guess this firms has to also kind of like become profitable to stay in the game, right? To stay in the business and give traders like us a chance to trade and bank money and get payouts and be able to go live and take more money that's profitable for both a trader and the firm. But I think their take profit trader offer, it could have been better, but I'm still not you know, I don't think it's a bad deal, to be honest. Think about it, guys. I mean, we had this deal I think 6 months ago. They're 30% off with the 100% refund on your first withdrawal. We had this offer 6 months ago, and that time we were all going, okay, wow, it's a crazy deal. We love it. Everybody loved it. Everybody loved it, right? We all loved it. I loved it. We had no complaints. And now, when they took that refund off, and then when they changed their promo from 30% to 40%, you know,
order filled.
Now we're not happy. But I think it's pretty good. I think you're paying 120 bucks. I mean, we pay 120 bucks, and if we get our payouts, then guess what, man? You know, we get our 120 bucks back, right? And I've done that twice. Last time when they had that offer, I got payouts on the 2 funded accounts with them, and they refunded my $120. I don't know how much it was exactly, but I think it was $129 or something like that, right? Oh my God, guys, what the heck is going on with this market? Very annoying. We are getting a bounce back up again, like as if nothing really truly happened here today. How many traders? Yeah, I mean, yeah, again, so that really depends on how many traders can actually get a payout. That's right, yeah. So yeah, I mean, if we struggle to get payouts, probably the best deals are in that cheapo evals, right? You know, like for example, Apex ones, the Biolanox ones, probably the ones to go with. Oh my God, I'll have to exit this trade, man. This market is looking like bouncy. So I had 2 bad trades back to back in a row. Luckily, it was like in the worst, like not the worst. Luckily, it was in my least important account, so that's kind of like protected in some ways, but not happy with how I traded in the last 2 ones, right? How much PA did you make this year? I don't understand what your question is, brother. How much PA? What does that mean? You're trading Ethereum now. Need 200 more to withdraw 1K. Oh, you scalper, really? Scalper, how much did it cost you to get to that account? On that war box or whatever it's called. BQ trades, what is going on, brother? Not expensive in the south. It's back to midget in the south, really? I don't know. I think it's all expensive in the US. The US is really expensive, especially for Canadians with the exchange rate. It gets pretty wild, tell you that much. Topstep changed the rules. Yeah, they did change the rules, Jazz. They did change the rules, but I mean, who won the giveaway? Somebody. I can't remember his name now. How much payout did you make this year? How much payout did I make this year? About 20, I think I would say 230k to 250k, somewhere on that, in that range. Instant funding to start 55 for 5k. Instant funding, it starts 55. Really? That's a pretty good deal, isn't it, Sculptor? Oh, it's NYMEX. NYMEX 777 is the winner. Yep. What do you think of Tradify? I think Tradify is fine. It's just that I'm just I don't know, man. I'm just not a big lover, right? I'm just not a big lover of DLL. That's where my problem is, and I just can't find a way to find a better way to adjust my trading style, just because we're trading the DLL accounts, right? So I'm having a little bit of a tough time, I'll be honest. What are the PROPFIRM that's offering the best deal? Numpulse, Apex 90% Black Friday, maybe. So they're 80% off, ends today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, let's see now. I'm trying to short this bad boy, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it though. We'll see. It's been a difficult one to trade today. It's weird. What is your top 4 PROPFIRM? That's gonna be a tough one to say, but if you ask me my top 2, right now, it would be Take Profit Trader and Apex. It could be my top 2. I'll be honest. Everything else, honestly, it doesn't really matter. At least I can confidently say my top 2 would be Take Profit Trader and then Apex. We got a lot of firms. You guys know I trade with a lot of firms, right? I've probably got about 10 firms that I trade with now, but I mean, they're all good, by the way. It's not that oh my god, man, this, what a wonky price action, guys. Look at this. I'm not a happy camper with this price action right now. We are getting a bounce. Tough to trade this. We're trying to get a bounce back, guys. We are trying to pierce through this level now. Just not being a good one. Look at this, man. Incredible. It's weird. I exit my trade and it's pulling back here. Incredible. It almost kind of sounds like I shouldn't be trading today. You sound like you love camping a lot. Me camping? I hate camping. Holy, yeah, that's right, Gringo, man. I like that. As long as they don't deny and pay them. Yeah, Farah, I mean, we are gonna get denied, but you know, I've seen a lot of traders actually get good payouts with no denials. So as much as I hate to get denied, you know, it is what it is. I just got to get better at you know, trading and respecting their rules, I guess, right? That's new Take Profit Trader software being rolled out to detect counter positioning. Yeah, I mean, that's hedging, right? Pretty much hedging. I don't know, when you call it nicely, it's hedging, but really that's counter trading. That's I think that's a little problem, I think, in my opinion. Technically we shouldn't be doing that, but if there's traders taking advantage of that, I think that's a good thing that they've come up with the software that's going to kind of protect the firm and try to fix the trader. Are you shorting yet? I'm not, guys. I'm not in any trades, I'll be honest. This price action that we're getting right here today, it's really been a tough one. And it's not been tough because it's the market's been volatile. It's just a very dummy price action that we are getting here during the Globex Asia, right? It almost kind of feels like I shouldn't be trading at all today because this price action is just yeah, it's I don't think this price action right now deserves my attention, to be honest. I think yeah, it's Feels the same way. Apex would be hard for you because of the 30% drawdown rule. It is harder, but it's not that it's not doable. If you just take a look at my Excel spreadsheet that I've got it on my left hand side on my screen, just take a look. You know, and that doesn't include my Apex that I got approved today. So I'm pretty much standing at $8,000 of Apex payout. That's still the most amongst my other prop firms, right? So Top Step kind of getting pretty close to the number 2 from a payout standpoint for the month of November, but we've got Funding Ticks and Take Profit Trader also coming pretty close as well. So I can certainly tell you that I'm doing better as a trader from a payout standpoint on my Apex, Take Profit Trader, Funding Ticks, and Top Step. This could be my top 4 from a payout standpoint. I think that's what it is also from the last few months as well. So that's good. So back to Midget Blue Guardian, instant funding starter, $19. I don't know, man. Is that legit? Hello, Cyber3644. What is going on, man? Thank you for saying hello. Great to see you. Guys, this price action right here, it's just not like it. This really does not deserve our attention, man. It's such a stupid price action we are getting here during the Globex Asia. It's not worth wasting our time. I'll be honest. I'm not happy with this price action, to be honest. Yeah, what is this, man? It's 10 points range, and it's like it almost kind of feels like what do you call this? Like a rubber band, right? It goes and comes back pretty quickly. StockTiger, did you ever trade with a fast track? Honestly, that's a pretty interesting question, because at the time when everybody was taking a lot of payout with fast track, I was there, but I did not. I was afraid. I don't know, for some reason. And guess what? At the time when I decided to step in, I tried to get about 20 accounts with them, and the very same day in the morning, right? They were gone. They were gone right before I decided to load in some accounts with them. So it's pretty. I kind of got lucky. I kind of got really lucky. It's a cut zone, yeah. Dan Ammons, man. It's a pretty. Yeah, I'm not happy with this price action so far, man. This is just so dumb, you know. It's not worth my time to try to get into my trade, to be honest. I'll probably just better off just hang out with my fellow traders here. Yeah, fast smack, man. Yeah. That dude was a slim ball. Gold is moving. Gold is moving. Let's take a look at the gold. Gold is moving. Where? I don't see any gold moving. I know it's chopping. That's all I can see in the gold. You did get lucky. I bought $500 worth of accounts with them, and they were gone one day. Yeah, I was going to load in accounts with them. I can tell you that much. I was gonna load in about 20 accounts, and I stopped. I was kind of forced to stop because I could not load in accounts because everybody was talking about how traders got rough pulled. He's right. It's moving up and down. It's chopping. I don't know, man. There's nothing really there in the gold, and honestly, the Bitcoin's not doing anything either. So something smells bad about this market right now. Something smells bad. I don't know if you guys are seeing the same thing. I kind of feel like this could be a pullback here by the time we get to tomorrow morning. What do you guys see? Gold order book is basically empty, so I guess nobody's really trading gold anymore. Justin, right? You spent $2,400 on accounts with them, and they went down. Oh my god, yeah. Luckily, I did not spend a dime with fast track. Yeah, I got lucky. I got lucky with fast track. Yeah, I know a lot of traders lost a lot of money with them, right? Got rug pulled, but I got very lucky. Yeah, for sure. Corey the Scalper, I've got a lot of respect for Corey the Scalper's suggestion, but Warbucks is awesome. All right, man. I guess I've got to step into this Warbucks thing. But I heard Patrick is the what do you call this? He's what again? He's a partner of that firm, right? Maybe I should open my own prop from trading the Bitcoin. Spent 3K with them and should have gotten 30K. And did you actually end up getting that money though? Or was it gone by the time you tried? You have tried it and I have 10K account almost to pay out. Really? The Corey Scalper? Really, man? That's crazy. He's a CEO. Oh, really? He's a CEO. Really? Damn it. Pretty cool. Tiger, should I get a Top Step account? You've been trading with Top Step? If you were, then I guess yeah, I wouldn't mind if it's me. If I've been a Top Step trader, and if with the offer that we have here with Top Step, that's what $89 on a 50K account. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't mind. It's not that crazy bad, to be honest, right? It's not as bad as what we think. It's just that I just did not like the way they kept changing their rules. That's it. Only if it's $89, no activation. Corey the Scalper, the Top Step is $89 with no activation, from my understanding. Oh, the consistency is gonna kill you? Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Guess calling it a night, man. Mike Hansen, man, thank you for being here. Great to see you, brother. Have a great rest of the night. Yeah, Mike. All right. Yeah, I don't think this market's gonna really do anything right now. So yeah, I don't know, man. Tiger Top Step now charges tax as well. They've been charging tax for a while now, I think. Right? It's 49. It's a 49 on their eval accounts. But then I used to pay like 52 or 53, and that includes the tax as well. So they've been charging tax for a while now. Same rule on Top Step. The only thing that got out fast track trading was a year of bankruptcy notification. Oh, Top Step charges taxes. No rules change on a no activation. Why Asia over New York session? Why Asia over New York? I mean, you guys know I complain about Globex Asia all the time, but because I'm here in front of my computer, this is the only session that I can truly be in front of my computer all the time. And that's why I try to go, not try, but that's why I go live during Globex Asia. You guys know, man, a year and a half ago, that's like literally about 18 to 20 months ago, I used to go live during Globex Asia. I was the only Globex Asia trader going live during Asia. I was the only trader trading live during Asia, right? It wasn't even a Top Step. Top Step came in much later. I was the only trader trading live during Globex Asia. And that's the only option I had, right? And then everybody started to trade live, Globex Asia. I don't know. But I trade. I try my level best to go live during New York as well, guys. At least twice a week, right? At least twice a week. You guys know. I mean, I've been trying my level best to go live during New York. And if you guys see me go live during New York, you guys see me trading very actively during the morning session. I've got a lot of stuff going on my personal front to go live during New York. You know, I'm not in my desk. I'm not in front of my computer, right? That's a problem. I used to do remote trading too during New York, but nobody really liked that, so I kind of stopped doing that either. Tick Trader is 60% off right now. Zabak the Midget, are you a Tick Trader too? What does that 60% off get you? $99 on your 50K account, direct to fund it. The only crazy person to trade Globex Asia back in the day. Oh my god, MVP, were you actually there during those days? I don't recall your name. I don't know. I wonder if you've changed your nickname, but were you there since day one? Why can't you go live during New York? I did not like the remote trading. Yeah, see, there we go. I was remote trading, but nobody liked it, so I kind of stopped. Do hand other activities besides trading PROPFIRM or just trading? Yeah, I've got a lot of other stuff going on during the day. Yeah, we've got a lot of business to take care of, so. But now I'm trying to be more actively trading even during the day. That's why I go live at least twice a week during New York. Because the true trading, the real true trading, I can only prove that during New York, right? It's gonna be really hard for me to like, you know, like I'm only making 20% of my profits during Globex Asia. And so where's that 80% come from? You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be one of those traders where I go, okay, well, I made $6,000, but it's like I've never really shown you any trades. But it's like, well, I've made $6,000. Oh, okay, well, but I have no idea how you trade. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be that sort of a trader where it's like I make a lot of profits, but I've never really proven or shown to my fellow traders how I trade. And that's why the New York, at least I try to do that twice a week. And that comes in handy, right? It kind of helps me. Oh, really? MVP? Mickey? I want to know a little more about you, bro. Since day one? Really? Yeah, we got to talk about this, man. Incredible. 20% is still good. It used to be a little more. But now that because I'm making a lot more profits, right? More profits, more payouts. So that proportion of my Asian Globex Asia P&L it's gone down substantially, right? If you asked me this 16, 18 months ago, my Globex Asia P&L was like 50% of the time. But now it's a little less than 20%. I would think it's less than 20%, to be honest. I would say it's about 15 to 20%. Yeah, somewhere on that in the range. Yeah, I guess maybe it's still good, but it's tough to make good trades during Globex Asia, right? You guys know the reason why. There's just no pattern, right? This market is lame. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'll be honest. Globex Asia, guys, it's really hard to trade. You know, the bigger problem with the Globex Asia is one day you're gonna have like a fine 300 points move in this market, and one day it's like 10 points range, very tight range trades. So it's tough to kind of gauge how the Globex Asia is gonna look like. You know what I mean? It's hard to predict, right? And that's the bigger problem with the Globex Asia. And there's no pattern, right? That makes it even harder, right? So there's a lot of challenges trading Globex Asia, and that's why it's always nice to kind of like really slow down and kind of like downsize your trading Globex Asia, to be honest with you. But you guys see me go much more aggressive during Globex Asia because I want to make it a little more exciting. You know, I want to see if I can actually bank much more than just $50 a day during Globex session. You know, I'm definitely taking a lot more risk. I'll put it that way, right? And that's why I'm getting up to 20% of my total profits during Globex Asia. Mostly Asia does either distribution accumulate. That's right. I mean, that's also right. Anyways, guys, I think it's getting a little late now. It's well, it's not really late, but this market is really not proving anything to me. So I'm gonna maybe have to just watch this market do its thing for the rest of the night. and hopefully we try to bank some good trades tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day. I'd like to see if we are going to have that. Oh, maybe it's the Thanksgiving that's kind of like really slowing down the market today. I don't know what it is. Maybe that could be the reason why. It's about to get busy now. Yeah, I can see that. I kind of sense this market trying to get busy. I think this is kind of like accumulating some kind of a liquidity in this range, a very tight range between 980 into the 930s, 920s, right? That's a 60 points range. But I think at some point tonight, something's gonna break either to the downside or to the upside, and I think we could get that continuation move here through the rest of the night into London maybe, and then we kind of distribute into the cash. But it's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. I wish you guys all the very best tomorrow. Yeah, wouldn't even touch with the valuation right now. Yeah, it's kind of like really wonky right now, so it's really hard to trade. So I better stay away from this market today. I guess it's the Thanksgiving that's also kind of like making things even more tougher to trade tonight. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to smack the like before you guys hop out. Thank you all of you for being here tonight. It was a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. I may go live tomorrow morning, guys. Maybe about maybe around 12 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. I'll try my level best to be here at 12 in the morning Eastern time. So hopefully I get to see you guys all in the morning, make some good trades, bank some profits, get some more payouts. We'll try. If not, I'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you guys for being here today. Once again, God bless you and your family, everybody. Thank you so much. Mucho gracias, everybody. Peace. Take care, guys. Have a great rest of the night. Thank you so much. Peace out. Finally. Bye-bye.